I'm just on my way to the project I've been working on for a little over a week now. I don't have so much to do today. I just need to install some LED strip lights and and put some support rails behind these shelving units, and that's going to be it. And then I'm going to be heading off back to the workshop. I've just started to come to the realization that I'm really slacking off on the focus of building this brand and this sort of furniture woodwork business that I want to build. And the reason I say that is because I got the website up and running, and I think I was so sort of content with having the website done because it was so hard for me, and I'm not really very good at that stuff. But once I got the website done, I just kind of dropped right off after that point of pushing forward with the furniture stuff and the brand. You know, it's almost like I felt like I'd achieved the thing that I was trying to achieve by building the website, and then I haven't really done anything with it since. But the plan for a while now has been to try and grow a brand and create a furniture business. And that's not going to happen unless I focus in on that thing. And then making the videos and doing the content should be sort of around that and supporting that and just following that along. Making the products and doing the woodwork in the workshop and stuff is almost, in my mind, I'm thinking about that is almost like to back up the YouTube channel. What I should be doing is thinking, right, what product can I make? How can I promote these products to sell them? And then I film that whilst I'm doing it. And then the videos and the YouTube stuff is just there to document and back up the real thing that I'm doing. At least I think that's the way I should be thinking about it. So I'm going to start to make some content for the furniture brand itself, Instagram, probably a TikTok account, and a YouTube channel. And they will be under the brand and the banner of Wood and Coffee. And then I'll produce content, videos and photographs specifically with the intention to promote that brand and generate sales. This is the wardrobes that I'm working on at the moment. Along the front edge here, there's a hole there for a light switch, and then there's this routed strip along here. I've just got to clean that out. That comes all the way along up to the top, and then there's LED strips that get installed down this edge. When the door's open, this switch will get depressed and that'll make the lights come on. But it's kind of a little bit of pressure because these wardrobes are very expensive. It doesn't seem like much because it's just one little hole. But if I mess that up, the whole wardrobe would have to be remade. There's not really any way you can just touch that up and repair it. It's a good experience to do it, but a bit more pressure than I would prefer. I've got the first one done. This is the strip with the LED lights in. when I was using the router there, it's just because yesterday when I did the router in to get the cables in, the switch in, I didn't quite go in far enough for the switch to be able to fit in there. So I just have to do a little bit extra of a cutout on the side. I've got those wardrobes finished, putting all the light strips in and the switches. That went pretty well. I was anticipating it being a bit of a difficult job to get a good finish on, but actually it worked out really well. The guy I'm working with, he put together a bit of a system using the router to make the hole for the switch and then to make space for the cables and stuff. So I just sort of followed the system that he'd put together, and it was great actually. It's been really nice doing this work and working with someone else who's got sort of higher level skills than I have with joinery and woodworking, because you can just soak up what they know and learn. I stopped in and saw the guys in the workshop this morning where the wardrobes are actually being made. Just had to chat with them about a couple of things, and I did the same thing there again. While I'm there chatting to them, I have a little look around the workshop, take it all in, and it's just just learning and like getting that exposure to the type of skills and environment I want to learn about and improve on. For now, I'm going to go back to the workshop, try and finish organising that, getting the shelves done, tidying that up, and then once that's done I can get back onto working on the products. And for the next couple of days I really need to have a big push on some content and some things to push on with the furniture brand and trying to sell some products, because I just need to get something moving, because I've done all the elements to get to kind of the launching point, and then I've stopped there. I haven't pushed beyond that to actually start making happen what I need to happen, which is sell the products and get the business going. So that's it. Get some content done, make some products, focus back in on this furniture brand. This is the switch. Better than I expected. I'm not really doing anything to push forward with the furniture brand, and I'm not very good at selling.